So what I was telling is, when we lie in this position, my back muscles are extended. So what we are doing is we are doing centralization. So all of the pain from the back of the thigh, from the hip is coming back to my lumbar region. If we don't feel relaxed in this position, what you have to do is just turn to your left. Just turn to your left, turn to your left in the same position. Keep your head down and relaxed. In this position, if you have a nerve impingement on this side, so this position will relax you. In turn, if you have on this side, the other position will relax you. So what we have to do is try to lift up a bit more. If you can just straighten up your hands. So this is how we are going to help the centralization. This is how we are going to help our back muscles in getting strengthened up. So this is basically a stretch. This is basically exercise what is going to strengthen up your back muscles. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do piriformis stretch. Piriformis is basically a very short muscle. Very short muscle. It is present just above your sciatic nerve. Actually, just lie down on the straight position. It is just present above your sciatic nerve. If your piriformis is inflamed due to any condition, due to prolonged sitting, due to anterior pelvic tilt, if you are wearing heels again and again, your piriformis muscle may get irritated. If you have an irritated piriformis muscle, in turn it will increase the sciatic nerve pain. So we are going to stretch our piriformis muscle. What we have to do is you have to keep your leg like this. Now just lift your leg, lift your this leg, or what you can do is just keep your leg like this, lift your leg, hold your thigh from here. In this position, we are contracting the we are relaxing or stretching the piriformis muscle of this side. In the for all the stretches, you have to hold the stretch at the end position for like 10-12 seconds, and you have to repeat the stretch for at least 10 to 12 times, so that my muscles get stretched, so that I can reduce my nerve pain. This is a kind of piriformis stretch. If you are very obese, if you have a very good bulging tummy, you will not be able to do this. So we can do it in the sitting position also. What you have to do is just hang your leg out of the couch. Again, sit in the same position. Sit in the same position. Now try to lower yourself. Try to lower your back. Keep your back straight. Keep your back straight and try to lower from. Are you feeling a stretch on the back of your buttock?
Yes.
So this is also a piriformis stretch. It is basically helpful for those people who are obese, who are having a bulging tummy. Due to that, they will not be able to do the piriformis stretch in the lying position. They can do this. The other stretch what really helps out in reducing the back pain is just stretch your legs on the couch. Keep your leg like this. Just hug your leg. Yes. She has a very good flexibility. Otherwise, a person who is having a piriformis irritation or shorten up of the piriformis muscle will not be able to do this that easily. So it is also going to help you in stretching your piriformis muscle, in turn reducing the nerve pain. And just relax. The people who are working for long in the same position, in the same sitting or standing position, they have to do the stretch at their workplace also. So I'll be telling you one stretch what we can do at our workplace. Just keep your head. What you have to do is can you do it on this chair, Anthony? Don't mind. Sit on the edge of the chair. Come out. Thoda piche. Yeah. You have to keep a bit of the distance in between your legs. Just relax your foot on the floor. What you have to do is keep your head on the shoulders. Keep your hands on the shoulders. Now, keeping your back straight, you have to go down. You have to go down. This is a very good spinal stretch. You have to go down. Are you feeling stretch over your lower back muscle?
Yes.
Can we increase it a bit?
Yeah.
So what you have to do is just take your hands here. Take your hands here. Take it like this. And now, are you feeling stretch from the neck till the spine?
Yes.
So this is a very good stretching exercise what you can do at your workplace only. This is going to help you in stretching the all of the spinal muscles, all of the spinal nerves. So it is very good in reducing your nerve pain. The last thing what I would like to tell you about the back pain is how your posture, how we can get a good posture of sitting, and how we can sit in a good posture to get the back muscles relaxed. Our head is somewhere of around 12 pounds. Every degree we are increasing our neck, every degree we are taking our neck forward, we are increasing the pressure on the back muscles. So you have to increase the strength of your back muscles, your neck muscles, so that in turn you have a good posture. So what you have to do is, you can basically, while using the computers, what you have to do is, you have to keep your hands like this. If you have a chair and table in front, you can just keep your elbows relaxed and hands relaxed while working. Please never ever shrug your shoulders while working on the computer. This shorten up your neck muscles, which in turn gives the nerve pain. So what you have to do is, always keep your hands relaxed and in the same position, in the 90 degrees position while working. Same for the lower back pain. Please, Sarah. While we are at our workplace, we don't have so much time for exercise and all. So what you have to do is, if you have a lower back pain, you can stretch your hamstring muscle. Hamstring is a group of muscle which is present at the back of your thigh. So how can you how can we do the hamstring stretches? Actually, you have to keep one leg on this. We'll do it in this position. So come to that side. Keep your one leg over this. You just have to bend forward bend. Try to touch your toe with the hands. So this is a very good hamstring stretch. You can do it at your workplace to reduce your sciatic or lower back pain. You can repeat it. We do it with very easily treatable. Otherwise, most of the people are going for the surgeries and all. If you want to get any information, anything related to nerve pain, anything you want to, if you want to even get your nerve pain treated, we have a very good team of physiotherapists here in VLCC working for you people to help people in staying fit, to help you people in reducing your pains and aches. We even have recently reduced a Winston modality, which is basically a nerve blocker modality, which is reducing your nerve pain. So you can always get here to us. You can always get back